Hello guys, it's Lee. Hey, so today I'm going to use this pole saw on a Dewalt. I'll have to show it to you. It's a battery. Now I think this is 60 volt. I need to double check. But anyway, it's the battery pole saw. I got the extension. Right here it is on my table. This is the unit I'm gonna be playing with today. Yeah, 60 volt. I got the battery in there charging right now. But this is the unit that came off actually I was gonna say Craftsman, but that's a Troy built colors. So but they all interchange right here. So this interchange, and I got an extension pole, and I got all that adjusted out last time I used it, so I'm not gonna even touch that. But so this maple tree's been trying to die on me for a couple of years. And we had some pretty high winds the other day. And you see that right there broke off, and it's down there I sawed it up, getting ready to go in the fire pit. But now it's kind of lopsided. And so I know it's dying. I mean, let's look close at it. I mean, about 6-7 years ago, this split off, and that just sent a downward spiral of its health. See, it just don't look good. So I'm gonna let it stay here as long as it can. But what I'm gonna do with that pole saw, and I'm debating on whether to get in the trailer with a ladder, or just stand out here and cut it right there. I could probably reach that and just cut all that down. I'm just gonna, just see if I can't save it a little bit. So that's what we're getting ready to do. So if you don't know how this thing works, this is same on Craftsman, lock in and lock out. So I'm gonna put this in right here, get on that, and tighten her up. I'm gonna put this chainsaw on the end, like so. There that is. Give this a 180. All right, so let's go get a battery. It's not fully charged yet, but probably charged enough to see what's going on. All right, so hopefully when I pull the trigger, the blades will turn. And of course, Millie decides to lay down right there where I'm cutting at. All right, so the chain came off. I don't really know why, but it's kind of like a regular chainsaw, best I remember. I'm gonna try to put it back on. All right, let's try it again. Tree's just about gone.